This repair video for the P0441 error code is specifically tailored for Dodge drivers. If your Dodge is showing a P0441 code, this is for you. It means the purge valve is not properly regulating the flow of the fuel vapors by allowing too much or too little flow. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: gas cap issues, EVAP hoses, purge valve, fuel tank damage, leaking charcoal canister. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve before filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running. And place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum stuckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister and purge valve off and replace it with the correct new one. This engine code comes in various vehicles, mostly comes in Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, Dodge, and more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.